The smallest particle metal shaving or piece of dirt resulting from re-roofing or renovation can have extensive impacts in all types of facilities. And in today's world, maintaining safety and cleanliness is not optional. What will you do to avoid product contamination, equipment damage, or injuries? Can you limit the effects on operating schedules and workflows? How will you meet your customers' expectations and maintain your reputation? That's where TuffWrap can help. We protect products, property, and people by minimizing the risks associated with construction dust and debris. Our team will design and install a tailored solution to meet your requirements. We offer a variety of temporary containment barriers and suspended cover products that are anti-static, antimicrobial, and flame-resistant. TuffWrap installs SmartSeam for suspended cover projects to capture falling dust and debris during re-roofing. This exclusive product is the only temporary suspended cover barrier that is designed and manufactured for this one purpose and is verified IBC code compliant and FM approved. No other product on the market today can make those claims. TuffWrap's core frameless walls separate the work zone from the production zone without requiring structural support. This makes them a flexible and efficient alternative to standard studded walls. Our contractor-proof doors can be installed anywhere on the temporary frameless wall to gain access points within your space to move people, products, and equipment. Our containment services continue on the outside with EXT protection. We offer the only engineered process that provides a durable solution for temporarily closing up the outside so you can continue working on the inside during inclement weather. Whether you're working in a warehouse or retail space, aerospace, or a food manufacturing facility, let us manage the dirt and weather while you focus on the project.